Okay, so let's go over ionic bonding real quick. So first off, for ionic bonding, we always have a metal cation, and really what that means is a positive ion, bonded to a non-metal anion. And the anion is going to be a negative ion. Now, an ion is an atom that has either gained or lost electrons. So, real quick, I've got some Bohr models that I've drawn here. For lithium, so they're going to gain and lose electrons in order to have a filled valence shell. If you remember, the first valence shell gets filled up with only 2 electrons. The second one takes 8. So lithium, it's a whole lot easier for it to lose 1 electron than to gain 7 more. So it's going to lose 1 electron. And when we look at this, the total charge of this, so we've got 3 protons. So the nucleus is a +3. And then we've got 2 electrons, so that's going to be +3 minus 2. This has a total charge of +1. So that's why this lithium forms a +1 positive ion or +1 cation. For oxygen, oxygen wants to fill up with 8 in its outside ring. It's got 6 in its outside ring. So it's going to want to get 2 more from somewhere else. So those 2 more come in. Now it's got 8 protons, so it's +8, but it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 electrons. So 8 minus 10 is going to give you a -2. So oxygen is what we would call a -2 anion. So it's a negative ion because it's gained 2 electrons. So gaining, when we're talking about something negative like an electron, is going to make it a negative. So let's say lithium and oxygen were to bond through ionic bonding. So I've drawn a Lewis diagram here for oxygen. What's going to happen is, if I have some lithium atoms nearby, each one of these has a 1 valence electron. That valence electron is going to be lost to the oxygen atom. And now the lithium atoms have a full valence shell with 2. The oxygen has a full valence shell with 8. But this is going to have a -2 charge. The lithium atoms are each going to have a +1 charge, so they're going to be attracted. So even though oxygen has all the 8 electrons here, the lithium are going to be drawn to it, and they're going to be attracted just like any positive and negative charge attracts each other. So if we wanted to write out the chemical formula for this, we would say that it is Li okay, there's 2 lithium, so it's Li subscript 2, capital O. And then if we were to name it, we always do the metal name, so this would be lithium plus the non-metal ending in "ide", so this would be lithium oxide. This is the more complicated way to do it. This is the more illustrative way to do it. The easy way to do it would be to just go I know lithium is a plus, oxygen is a -2. The easy way to do it is to just cross the 2 terms. So this 2 comes down. This is really a +1. The 1 comes down. Chemists don't like writing 1s, so it's just Li2O. lithium oxide. Okay?